everyone, my name is David Grice and I'm presenting to you my project Impact Globe. A little bit about myself: I have my Bachelor of Science in Data Science from William & Mary, as well as my hobbies include enjoy programming and expanding my knowledge and understanding on any subjects. This is the project which you will see in a couple of seconds. So why did I choose this project? I've always enjoyed creating an immersive experience for history, especially going to museums, so I thought it'd be fun and cool to try and create one myself. Furthermore, I've always wanted to learn THREE.JS, which is a JavaScript library rendering 3D objects into the browser. And also I wanted to do a project that was challenging but also fun, and something which I could show my friends and family as a final product. So here's a link. If I just click on this, it will open up a new browser for me. So this is the project right here, so you can click and hold the mouse to zoom around, you can zoom in, zoom out, everything along that nature. There's a box here to display the instructions, so in case you forget how to interact with the application, it will show you. I have my options here as well, so if I click on current posts, it's the first option. It will bring up all the posts that we have currently throughout the world. So if I click on different points, they'll give you the data for that point. Also, it's color-coded based upon the bureau. If you want to see the social media, it'll take you to the various websites, as well as you go to the embassy, and it'll bring up its impact and objectives for that post. The next thing I have is diplomatic timeline. Here's the box that you can choose the different dates. So if I wanted to increase the year to 1779, that's when we first had affiliation with France. And then if I just keep on increasing the number using the arrow keys or these keys right here, the different points will pop on the screen based upon the year in which they first started. So the UK started in 1785 and 1792 now. You can also type in the box as well. So say for instance, I would do the year 2000. It will change the points to that current year. And because it is updated based upon the color, so if I click on here, this says East Germany in 1990 it closed, therefore it's red, but say for instance Germany itself is gold because that's when we had the embassy opened, closed, and re-established, so on and so forth. So it does change based upon the color of the. And lastly, I have the historical events here, but you can click on a photo, it will take you to the year, as well as a brief description. If you want to find out more about that time frame, you can click on the video or the link, and it will open up a video and or photo of the different point which the user has chosen. Again, you can click and drag to go left and right, it depends upon what you want to do. And there's also the instruction box here. Some improvements I could make to this definitely is code. It's not very optimized. It does take a couple of seconds to load, especially for the timeline. I'd like more data sets also to implement, so I could add more layers and overall overlays to the globe. Functionality, definitely want to include more smooth transitions of the cameras, because when you click on a point, it's very rigid and very strict, and I'd like to have a more loose, more smooth transition between each data point. Furthermore, I'd like to make this more mobile friendly as well and responsive, because THREE.JS by default is not exactly a very mobile friendly library, but I would like to have this application be improved upon to be more mobile friendly so people can take this and experience it on